Hello friends and welcome to Vlogmas Day 4. Today is Saturday, December 4th and we're about to go have some fun on Disney property and something I've never done before. Woo! But we're really excited to check it out and let's go ahead and today we are headed to Disney's Wintersummerland miniature golf and of course doing the winter side. This is conveniently located right next to Blizzard Beach, which I have been to this year as well, but let's head in and go get our spots. And since it is a Christmas themed golf course, or winter at least, I did wear a little winter attire, some cardinals, some green bottoms. But let's go get in line and check this place out. I've never been before. And it does include it in our annual pass because we do have the water park and sports option add-on. So a fun way to have some extra fun, especially since we're blocked out in the parks today. So the fun begins. They have also some really cute themed benches here. A little bit of snow has fallen here at Wintersummerland. And it's already December 4th. Who knows how much we'll get throughout the season. There's snow place like Gnome. Winding up, trying to get it up the ramp. Let's see how he does. And he's off. Up the ramp into the RV. And we have... Oh, gypped right at the end. Wow, you hate to see it, kids. You hate to see it. Putt number 2. Very nice. Hole 2 gone fishing. Little ice fishing over there at the igloo. Let's see if we can get this one. I think I gotta bank it.
Very difficult.
All the way to the back. Oh, there. Oh, you made it to the middle. Oh no.
I wanted to eat it, but then I was like, if I eat it, it's...
Oh, geez, not even close. I hit the ground.
Are you stuck? Oh, well, you're going up there. Climbing up the mountains. Oh, well, now you get the best shot.
Number 9, Castle a la Motte. Through the castle we go. Oh, there's a trapdoor that opens and closes. Good luck. Up, and he went to the side route. On hole number 10, we got Mickey and Pluto and Minnie Mouse over here as well. And their cute little snow attire. I guess they're made of snow. Still counts. It's really out of control, I'm not gonna lie. We've all heard legends of Squirty the Snowman. He's a jolly, happy soul. But will he be jolly and happy for us? Oh. Oh, hole in one. He had a little bit to say about that. Get it, get it, get it. You have to grab it, it's gonna get you. You have to grab it or it's gonna get you because you're too far away. He had a lot to say that time. Hole number 17, not a creature was stirring except... Can he do it, folks? Can he do it? Backwards, through the legs. It's a shame. It's a real shame. You hate to see it. Another one to the docket. Bye, Santa. Rumor around here is that this snow-making machine from the Sunshine State will go off any minute. And here's a glimpse at the Summerside course, which is still Christmassy but very summery at the same time. So we'll wait for some snow. It's snowing in Disney World! Tallying up the final scores for the grand reveal of who the winner is. The results are in, and I would like to say that the system is rigged, and it was 61 to 52, me on the losing side. What do you have to say, mister?
You played a terrible game. You're on.
I played one-handed most holes. So.
By your own choice. You
By my own
chose to play one-handed most of the time. You could have handed me the camera. Honestly, it wasn't your best effort today. I think you were more concerned with the vlog than you were with the mini golf.
Had to get the shot. Had to get the shot, had to get the pictures. It's a beautiful course. Highly recommend. Highly recommend. And there is a fun photo op spot right outside with this beautiful sleigh in front of the sign for Wintersummerland Miniature Golf. And all the lights do come on before sunset. So have a lot of fun with this photo shoot if you're coming here. But it's time to head out and have more fun elsewhere. And as we come out of Wintersummerland Mini Golf, there is another beautiful sunset this evening. Not as quite as bright as the last Vlogmas had, but definitely check that out if you missed it. I'll have the other Vlogmases linked down below. We've made it to downtown Winter Garden for some dinner and for some small town shopping, and they are fully decked out in lights. And it seems their event is just wrapping up, but still some street performers and artists out. So let's go get some food and some fun gifts. Look how cute this is. Oh, look how cute. It's only $6. Yummy. Just what you wanted. Thanks for coming along with us for Vlogmas Day 4. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little bit of Disney today as well with Winter Wintersummerland miniature golf. It's a lot of fun, and there are 2 sides to the course, so definitely check it out if you're in the area. And again, tons of fun to do some putt-putt with a little bit of magic in between. But thank you guys so much for watching day 4 and coming with us to mini golf and of course to Winter Garden. If you haven't been up there, it's a little bit of a drive from Disney or from Orlando, but it's a great place to check out some small shops, some good dining, all of the things. And we did see some horse-drawn carriages there. I couldn't catch them on camera because we were inside eating, but very cool event this evening for the tree lighting and all that jazz. But I hope you guys enjoyed seeing all of the fun things that we did. And if you did enjoy, be sure to give it a thumbs up for me and Frosty here. He's back there. He's still here. He's still thriving, for all of you who watched the decorating vlog. But there's plenty more holiday spirit to come. There's obviously the tree we still have to put up. I want to do Handmade Holiday, which is where I do a bunch of handmade gifts or cards or things that'll be featured in these vlogs, so make sure you stay tuned and subscribe for that. But thank you guys again so much for watching, for coming along with us too. I'll definitely be posting reels and Instagram posts with more from the days as they come. But thank you guys again so much for watching, and I'll see you guys tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye guys!